A cap gun, cap pistol, or cap rifle is a toy gun that creates a loud sound simulating a gunshot and smoke when a small percussion cap is ignited. Cap gun does not fire a projectile. It uses a tiny powder charge, much smaller than a firecracker, to make an audible explosion, but there is nothing in a cap gun to be fired. It doesn't even have a barrel, so there is no way that a cap gun could even be modified to fire anything. A cap gun is a noisemaker, nothing more.